welcome to another video of Hugo Stuff. And today we will be building something out of Lego. And something that we will be building is a Lego couch. I hope you follow along with me with this lesson. And yeah, so for this lesson you will need 6 of these 4x2 blocks. So they're thick and they're four long and 2 at the top. You will also need 3 8x2 flats for this. And you will also need 2 4 ones for this as well. And finally, you will need 2 6 ones for this lesson. And then you don't have to do this, but I like to do it. I'm just going to add some little things on my sofa when I'm done. So those little things are going to be a coffee cup and a parrot, so a pet parrot. Okay, so let's get started. So first we're going to take our 2 6x1 bricks and we're going to just lay them out like that. And then we're going to take our 3 8x2 flat bricks. And now we're just going to pick up one of these bricks, and at the end we just connect these like that. And then we're going to pick up our other one and put it at the end like that. And then with the others, we're just going to put them along like that. Now your Lego thing should look like a bit like a table, a long table, which is what you want it to look like. So if your one looks like a table, that's very good. Okay, so now we're going to get our 2 4x1 bricks, and we're just going to put them here, up, and there, just like that. So it should look a bit like that. And now, when we're done that, we're going to get 2 of our 4x2 bricks, and we're just going to put them beside each other like that. And now we're just going to do the same step. Okay, so now I'm going to add my little details. So first I'm going to add my coffee mug. I'm going to put it on the sort of place where you relax your arm. And then I'm going to add my parrot. So I'm going to put my little parrot up there. So there we go. We have our Lego sofa. And it looks really cool. And I did it multicolour because I thought it would look much nicer than just one colour. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. And if your creation didn't work out as you wanted it to, then don't worry. Just try again and you will succeed. I just know it. So thanks for watching. Bye.